Hi everyone, I'm Fred from the Koala team, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about our brand new product, Koala Business. But before we get started, let's hear from Kim, who has been using Koala Business for her online tutoring company.
As an in-person tutoring business, when I was looking for an online tutoring platform for my company, it was really important to me that we find a platform that was not only reliable but also truly engaging, that would replace that personalized experience that our families get with in-person tutoring. And Koala checked off all the boxes. With its whiteboard, co-browsing, and playground environment, we're not only able to create a truly engaging and motivating environment for our students, they have more fun in this online environment than they do in person, but we're also able to create that consistency that it takes to be able to really get results for our students. And that's why, through Koala, I have been able to turn what was normally a 5% online business into an over 50% online business, because it is truly, in my opinion, better than in person.
Koala Business is for online tutoring businesses and online schools that want to grow their online presence and get their students excited about online classes. We combined our award-winning platform, Koala Go, with several business and admin features. During this video, I will walk you through everything this product offers. First of all, the interactive whiteboard. Here, teachers and students can draw, write, add sticky notes, share documents and images. We also added gamification tools for younger students. Number 2, the co-browser. The co-browser is very popular within our community. It's a browser where both teachers and students can interact with the website at the same time. It makes everything on the web truly multiplayer. So whether teachers use Whiteboard.net or any web-based curriculum, you and your students will be able to interact at the same time. Even if your students use an iPad or an Android tablet, they'll be able to interact with it and drag and drop. Number 3, the playground. Playground is a 3D environment inspired by Minecraft and Roblox, where teachers and students navigate a 3D world where you can either have a brain break or teach a full class in an environment that will get students excited about your online classes. Our business customers have seen very high conversion rates when teaching students first class using Playground. Number 4, 24/7 live support. We know that your teachers always have questions, or maybe they may need some help with some technical issues. That's why we have a team of real people, no, not a chatbot, that will be there for everyone in your team. Teachers can just click here and they'll get access to our team within seconds. Number 5, your branded portal. You will also get your very own branded teacher login portal that allows your teachers to log in from your website. We can customize this page to your liking by adding your logo, changing the background color to match your brand color. Even the chat support can be branded with your logo and your name. So, from your teachers and your students' perspective, they won't even know they're using Koala. They are using your platform. Number 6, the admin dashboard. Now, this dashboard is only accessible to your management team. It allows you to visualize everything in chronological order. You will see the teacher's name, the student's name, the time of the class, the duration, and the cost associated with that class. With Koala Business, you only pay when the platform is used by one teacher and at least one student. The admin dashboard also allows you to add teachers or remove teachers if they leave your organization. Simply put in their email here and they will be able to log into your portal and teach. Number 7, cloud recording. You can also enable automatic cloud recording for every class within your organization. You will find your recordings here in the dashboard. Number 8, retrain your teachers. When you sign up for Koala Business, you pay per an hour, which means if you grow, we do too. So, when you become a partner, we do everything we can to make your business successful. For that reason, we offer a training session for your whole teacher team where we walk them through the product so they can be successful with your platform. And number 9, pricing. So, pricing depends on which features you need, how big your team is, whether you need an API to integrate with your existing system, etc. To get pricing information for your organization, reach out to us with the link in our description and either me or anyone from our team will get back to you. Thank you for doing what you do and see you soon!